Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to reboot OPPO Find X8. Alright, so the process is really easy. I'm sure that all of you can handle it. So, to reboot this device we need to open up the power menu. To do it, we need to tap the power button and the volume up button at the same time. Just like that. And now, as you can see, we have access to our power menu. And now, simply to restart this device, all you need to do now is to grab that white circle, white ball, I don't know how to call it. Now simply drag it into the restart mode, which is on the top of the screen as you perform that move. And now simply release your finger. Now, as you can see, the screen went black, and within a few seconds the phone will be automatically turned on again and once more ready to use. Also, I would say that performing a simple reboot from time to time is good for the health of your device, because during that process you simply close the processes that are running in the background, and also thanks to that you can free up some RAM. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.